Before we get to the video, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to go watch my last video, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. This video I'm finna upload, it's on this Instagram famous comedian. That nigga baked my ass. I ain't even gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I take this personal, you know what I'm saying? It was just a little fun. You know what I'm saying? We was just having fun. He was roasting all the fans in the comment section, and he went live and cooked my ass. You know what I'm saying? He baked my ass. You know what I'm saying? Made me get off the live. You know what I'm saying? Cause he got them bitches.
Whole time I'm trying to roast for real. Gianni Nee, say less. Fuck is you talking about? Where you at? Hold on, let me find you, little homie. What's up? Let's see what your little situation is over there. I bet your carpet ain't vacuumed or nothing. Like you just all fucked up over there. What's up? Bring that ass to the camera, boy.
Yeah, boy, I'm on your ugly ass.
Your ass look like murder.
Boy, your ass like a adopted uncle.
Camera.
Stop playing with me. Whole time I'm trying to cook your ass.
Where you at? And I can
I'm in
see
Georgia.
you slapping off the Android, so you already fucked up.
Nigga, I got an iPhone.
Bring your ugly ass into the camera, boy. Come on.
But I got an iPhone. Stop playing with me.
You ain't even got no shirt, bro. You ain't got no clean clothes, boy. You dirty.
Look at your beard. That bit look like a pick. Egg whole time your beard. Your
look at you. You stuttering and shit, boy. You
like a baby ant. Set your egg ass up.
Your nose fat as hell, boy.
Boy, look at your head. Thin as hell.
On my kids.
Your ass look like ghetto Santa Claus on for Friday after next. Get your egg ass on somewhere.
Look at you hiding too. Boy, you ugly.
You
hear me?
Who hiding?
You hear me, young man? You a ugly motherfucker. You young and ugly, boy.
He said I'm young and ugly.
Bro, hey, you young and ugly, bro. Like, that's fucked up. You gotta grow up to be.
Boy, you like a little ass kid with that shirt on. Take that shit off.
You ain't got no shirt on because you ain't got no clean clothes. Like, I know your floor's not vacuumed.
Stop playing. Buddy say I ain't got no clean clothes.
You ain't got no clean clothes, bro. You ugly as hell out here.
Boy, I know you cold as hell. I know it's cold as hell down there. Boy, you need on some clothes.
That shit just sitting there. Unactive as hell, bro. What are you doing with your hair, bro? What is
Nigga, what is your hair? You
sharp
like that bitch lock up because you can't afford a haircut. Stop playing with me.
Bring your ugly ass in the camera, boy. Come here.
I'm in the camera.
You ugly as hell. What's wrong with you?
Bring your face in the camera. All I see is your beard.
Your head shaking and shit. Look at you.
What's wrong with you? In the camera. Whole time. Stop playing with me.
Look at you. You know you ugly. That's why you not
ugly.
In the camera.
You ugly.
And you got booty digger fingers. You too old to be chewing on your fingernails, boy. What's wrong with you? You nasty. You nasty as hell, and you musty. You have not washed up today, and I know this shit.
Nigga just tried me.
You nasty. You got the worst ring in your toilet, bro. Like, you out here. Bogus as hell.
I'm done, bro. I don't want no more.
I know you done. All glass, boy. Get your dust ass up off my